Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to hide likes on Instagram, especially on how to hide like counts on our Instagram posts. Okay, first of all, you can open your Instagram application on your phone, and after you have your Instagram application opened, you can go to your profile and you can select a post you would like to hide the like counts on. And for instance, I'm going to select this post. We can click on the post and we can click on the three dots on the top right, and here we just need to hide like count to hide the like count of this Instagram post. And as you can see that the like count has been hidden. And you can also hide the like count on other Instagram posts. So you can go to your Instagram setting, and here you just need to click on you can click on like and share count, and here you can activate this hide like and share count, and you can read the description right here. Alright guys, and that's how we can hide likes on Instagram, especially on how to hide like counts on Instagram posts. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.